We have a cultural identity crisis in the African American community. We have to make sure that we invest in the children's knowledge of self. They must know who they are beyond, right, what has been given to them in American history. American history is so focused on slavery and oppression that generationally we sometimes, without realizing it, suffer from self-hate and negative self-identity and also feeling shameful because it's always linked to that. This is why we want so badly to talk about the contributions. But we can't just talk about the contributions of African Americans despite those obstacles, right? We have to remember who we are as Africans and go back further, remembering that we are the inventors of education and that the world marvels at Africa and all of its resources, as well as the minds, right, of the people who invented so many things that we still don't understand how were invented today. Okay, we have to choose to reach beyond what is given to us. And then we will remember who we are as Africans. But it starts with us. And if we want to progress as a community, then you can't look any further than the children. They are the future, and they are our biggest source of investment in regards to really being able to grow and be our best selves as a people. We have to choose to no longer separate ourselves from our ancestral lineage. We are Africans, and Black children need Africa. That's given what they need. That's helped them understand their self-worth. That's give them something to be proud of. We need a cultural identity restoration, as Chike Akua says it, and we can do it. All we have to do is choose. We're only a choice away. A choice away. A choice away.